Natural anti-aging and skin whitening cream by using tomato. Every woman wants the fair and beautiful skin, and there are many obstacles to get this desire. The unhealthy food and pollution affect your skin very seriously. To get your goals of healthy and white skin, you should try some natural products. There are many creams and tonics available on the market to make your skin fair and glowing, but these have many side effects and can damage your skin badly. Now, I have a solution to your problem. If you want the pinkish-white texture of your skin without any side effects, then try this natural remedy of homemade skin whitening cream. It not only gives fairness, but also contains anti-aging properties. Easy way to make skin whitening cream with tomato. Here is the method to make fairness cream with natural ingredients that saves your money. Ingredients: tomato, 1. Rose water, sufficient. Turmeric, 2 pinches. Rice flour, 3 tablespoons. Baking soda, ½ tablespoon. Chia seeds, 2 tablespoons. Alpha-arbutin cream, ½ tube. Procedure: firstly, take a tomato and add it to the blender to make the paste. Now, add few drops of rose water into the blender and turn it on. After blending them well, add 2 pinches of turmeric into the mixture. Then, add 3 tablespoons of rice flour into the blender. Now, add ½ tablespoon of baking soda into the mixture. Later, take 2 tablespoons of soaked chia seeds and put in the blender. Now, add a ½ tube of alpha-arbutin cream into the mixture. Then, again blend the mixture for few seconds. After that, take a clean container and add this cream to it. Finally, the cream is ready to use. How to use? Apply it to your face daily for 15 minutes. Then, wash your face with the button. You can store this cream in your fridge for a week. Precautions: this cream is for the people more than 14 years old.